Oh, okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. uh, okay. That's it. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 80 degrees and cloudy here in the valley on this Wednesday afternoon. Light rain fell earlier, but has since stopped. Welcome back. This video is part 2 of the Universal Yums subscription box food review for the month of August. The featured snacks are from Indonesia. Full disclosure, Universal Yums is not a sponsor of this video. As you may know by now, I received a 1-year Universal Yums snack box subscription as a gift. Now, rolling right along through the year. If you haven't had an opportunity to check out part 1 of the August snacks, I'll wait. I'll be here when you get back. Yeah. Welcome back. First up on the docket today. Wow, wait. Pull up a chair. First up is the Yuppie yogurt gummy. Gummies with original flavor. These deliciously sweet, slightly tart Yuppie yogurt gummies are extremely soft and easy to scarf down by the handful. So keep an eye on everyone around to make sure you're getting your share. They evoke a taste and experience similar to that of the traditional Indonesian drink dadi. Super popular in West Sumatra and made by creating a yogurt drink out of buffalo milk in a bamboo tube reserved especially for this purpose. This drink can also be poured over rice and sugar for a meal. The opportunities are endless. One of the most popular additions to all Indonesian dishes, be they sweet or savory, is sambal, a paste made of chilies, garlic, ginger, and other spices. Try a Yuppie yogurt gummy flight with your new snacks. Coat one with chili, one with the sauce, one with a wild card ingredient, and then try them all to see which one reigns supreme. Wow. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. This 1.2 ounce pouch has an expiration date of March 10th, 2027. Yuppie. My apologies if I pronounced the name of that incorrectly. Ooh. A pleasant aroma. Smells like vanilla yogurt. Look at that. Squishy, a little sticky. Cheers, everybody. Whoa. Hello. Smooth, tender, decadent. In terms of the texture of the gummies, they're very reminiscent mix between the Swedish Fish and the Haribo brand gummies. Nice vanilla flavor from start to finish, mixed in with a little bit of a what I would describe as an orange creamsicle flavor profile along with the vanilla. I appreciate the texture. It's chewy, yet it doesn't stick to my teeth. Not overly sweet, certainly not stale or oily, not spicy at all. I appreciate the portion size and also the quality, the quantity. Now, since this was a gift, I'm not sure what the price of this is. With that being said, do I recommend it? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I eat these again if I came across them out here in the US? Yes. Yes, I would. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Yuppie yogurt gummies, I'll give this a solid 9.1573. Have this as a snack. I could see putting this on some vanilla ice cream as a topping, or just on their own. Have a little treat, after dinner treat. I could stick these in my vest pocket, which I'm not wearing at the moment. Ooh. Soft and fresh, no weird chemical aftertaste. Like I said, it's vanilla and orange creamsicle flavors together. Creamy and smooth. Wow, what a way to start out this taste test journey through Indonesia. All right. Settle in, everyone. Next up on today's journey is the Gem Gem Ginger Company Orange. Orange flavor. What's the most dangerous thing you've ever eaten? We bet it can't compare to Gem Gem's ginger candy, though it looks unamusing. It's made from fresh ground ginger puree. Grown at Mount Bromo, a volcano on the East Java volcanic belt. Afterwards, the puree is mixed with pure cane sugar and tapioca starch before being kettle cooked for over 3 hours. Talk about a fiery candy. Indonesia is in the top 5 ginger producing countries worldwide, producing 184,000 tons yearly. And so, it is present in lots of their foods, from savory all the way to sweet, as excuse me, as well as beverages. While the ginger candy balances earthy and spicy, the orange flavor adds a burst of tangy sweetness, creating depth and complexity within this multi-dimensional candy. Gem Gem calls this the snack handed down from nature, and we agree. It's enough to make us all go, orange. Okay. Orange. Go gadget. All right. Now, if you tried these, please let me know in the comments. Okay, okay, it's time to get it's time to get serious because this is a serious video. The world needs to know what Mr. Fritz thinks of these products. Okay, now this 1.25 ounce pouch has an expiration date of March 23rd, 2027. It's ginger time. Oh, look at this. I appreciate that they're individually wrapped. So I could have one now, I could have one later, I could put one in my vest, I could take one to work and say, hi, would you like a piece of candy? To whoever I encounter first in the break room. Well, if I could get this open, that would really help in moving this video forward, wouldn't it, folks? Yeah. Boy, that's really on there. Okay. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by. Stand by. Are you standing by? Okay. Gosh, this is some packaging. There. Here, got it. I got it. Ooh, nice, pleasant ginger aroma. Also a hint of orange. Very, very sticky. Fairly hard. Cheers, everybody. Extremely chewy, robust, and authentic. Little bit of heat coming through from the ginger, but it's not so overwhelming that I need to get something to drink. Followed by this pleasant orange aftertaste. It's tangy, zesty. Wow. Balanced and bold. There's just enough spice there to wake up my taste buds. Not as sweet as I thought it would be. Surprisingly, it doesn't taste like it's been over processed like other types of chews I've had. Pleasant chewiness that didn't get stuck to my teeth. Moist, not stale. It's not bitter. I could see putting a few of these in my car. Once again, I'll just put some in my vest. Say, hey, on my vest already, I feel like I'm a walking mini pharmacy when I wear my vest because there's so many items in it. And now I'll just have a walking snack buffet in my pockets because I have put all these goodies in there. Surprisingly, the orange really meshes well with the ginger. Nice, pleasant aftertaste. Now, in terms of the texture profile, this ginger almost reminds me of the Jinjin's brand of the ginger chews. I might have reviewed those at one time on this channel. I don't remember. My apologies. I've recorded over 400 food review videos off and on over the past 7 years. I don't recall everything that I've ever taste tested. Now, going back to this, do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I am a big fan of ginger. It's grown on me over the years. A time existed when the spice from the ginger was off-putting to me, but I've grown acclimated to it. And I hear that ginger works well to quell. It works well to quell nausea and motion sickness. Oh, now, do I recommend this? Yes, I do. Would I have it again if the opportunity presented itself for me to have these again? Yes, I do. Now, with that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Gem Gem Ginger Chewy Candy. Ladies and gentlemen, where's that band? Did you order a band? Did you order a buffet? Did you have a good cookie? Did you have a good nap? You did? Good. I'm I'm giving I'm giving this a solid 10 out of 10. Mm, I did the perfect blend of ginger and orange together. I just can't get enough. Welcome to the show. Mm. Oh, it's ginger time. Ginger. Oh, ginger. Mm. What? Oh, yeah, I'm still rolling. Okay. I was just doing what? Yeah. Okay. Ah, thank you. Hello again. I'm Fritz Hudson Fritz. What? Oh, yeah. Hey. Next up is the Italian Moment Coffee Joy coffee flavored biscuits. Indonesia is one of the largest coffee producers in the world, ranking at third worldwide with an average of 750,000 tons yearly. That's a tall order. Indonesian coffee beans are known for their distinct flavors, earthy tones, and chocolatey notes. And this depth of taste comes about due to their distinctive wet hulling process called giling basah, where the hull of the beans is removed before they're dried, leading to stronger, more delicious flavors. These tasty coffee joy biscuits are perfect to have with a steaming cup of coffee or to add a little bit more richness and fun to a cool glass of milk. Many people on the island of Java, where the nickname for coffee comes from, have their own familial traditions for enjoying coffee. They might steep it with some fruit, mix it with cane sugar, or add spices. Taking inspiration, come up with your own coffee traditions, hopefully adding these biscuits. Mm, sounds intriguing. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. This 1.5-ounce package has an expiration date of September 28th, 2026. Ba, 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 ba. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready? Of course I am. Mmm, wow. It smells like I just walked into a coffee shop. Mmm, barista. What? Look at that. Mm. Cheers, everybody. Mm. Mm. Wow. Crumbly, flaky, melts in the mouth. The biscuit itself is creamy, buttery, smooth. And then the coffee flavor from start to finish, as well as a pleasant aftertaste. Delicious, delicate flavor. Mm. It's sweet, just a slight bitterness. And I think that's coming from the coffee beans. Mm. I appreciate the bite size of the biscuits. They're thin. I could see dipping this in some milk or even some tea or even some coffee if you're so inclined to do so. Mm. Have this for breakfast, have it after dinner snack, or even a midday snack. Really, any time is the right time. Mm. I am pleasantly surprised. It's really working well here. Do I recommend this? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I have these again? Whoop. Whoa, it just jumped right out of the container there. Mm. Light and delicate. Delicious. What was I saying? Oh, do I recommend this? Yes. Would I have it again if the situation presented itself to me? Yes. Yes, I do. Mm. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Italian Moment Coffee Joy coffee biscuits. I'll give these a solid 9.4515. mm. Subtle sweetness in every bite. I love the appearance. Rectangle. Mm. The coffee flavor really shines. I like the texture. It's almost a wafer-like consistency with how airy it is. Beautifully crafted. I just can't get enough. Welcome to the show. Sweet, sweet treat. Oh, woo. Mm. Next up on the taste test journey today is the Roma Malkist Coquelet Calapa. My apologies if I pronounced any of those words incorrectly. Please don't come after me. Crunchy crackers with choco and coconut flakes. Take a deep breath. Inhale the beautifully fragrant coconut scent emanating from these choco coconut crackers. Then bite in. They have the nutty earthiness of coconut, the sweetness of the choco coating, and a delicate snap and crunch, bringing it all together. Coconuts are a vital part of Indonesian culture and identity. They're the world's largest producer of coconuts, with around 15 million tons yearly. Every sliver of coconut flake on these crackers is imbued with the rich farming history of Indonesia and its associated spirituality. The tree on which coconuts are grown is known as the tree of life, symbolizing replenishment and sustenance. And many use coconuts as gifts for their loved ones, as well as in many rituals surrounding daily life. Food is often our most varied connection to the world around us. These crackers root you firmly in Indonesian history. As you enjoy them, consider everything else you eat and what and where it connects you to. Where it connects you. Wow. Now, if you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. Let's see. This 95-gram package has an expiration date of June 21st, 2026. There we go. Ba, ba, ba. Whoop, 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 whoop. Easy, easy. Ooh, excuse me. That is a strong coconut aroma. Chocolate. Ooh. It smells like almond joy. Mm, without the almond. What's the other one? What's the one that doesn't have the almond in it? Mounds? Is that it? It smells like the candy bar. Ah. Ooh, that's a nice little heft to it. Oh, there we go. I picked up two. All right, that's better. Mmm, crispy. Cheers, everybody. Whoop, whoop, I love the taste and texture. The cookie was crisp, had a satisfying snap initial taste. It's well balanced. It's not too sweet. Mm. I love the ratio of the chocolate to coconut. Delicate, buttery. Mm. Uh, I'm not sure what else to say other than there's a harmonious blend of flavor. I can see having this in the mornings or in the afternoons, like as an after dinner treat. Anytime's the right time. A classic coconut and chocolate together. Mm. And then the canvas of the cookie, like I said, is flaky, it's buttery, it's creamy, it's fresh. The coconut really shines from start to finish. It's not stale or greasy, no weird chemical aftertaste. I appreciate that all the crackers are in one piece, they're not all broken. So shout out to the packaging department at Universal Yums or the shipping department, whomever was in charge of putting assembling the boxes. Shout out to you. You did great. I appreciate it. Even though that's not what I'm grading here. I'm just scoring the flavor profile. And with that being said, do I recommend this? Yes, I do. Would I have these again if given the opportunity? Yes, indeed. I appreciate the quality, the quantity. If you like coconut and chocolate together, I think you would like these. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Malkist, my apologies if I said that wrong, the coconut chocolate cookies. Ladies and gentlemen, where's that band? Where did that band go? Can I hear? I need them back here now because I'm giving this snack a solid 10 out of 10. These are great on their own, but I can see crumbling these up, put it on an ice cream sundae or a banana split, or just yip it all the way downtown. Sit in the park. Oh, chocolate milk. There you go. Yeah. Oh, what was that? No, nothing. All right. No, 10 out of 10, rolling right along. It's amazing. I just don't know what else to say. Coconut, like those coconut cookies I get around the holidays. Shredded coconut. That was delicious. Ah, yep. Next up on the docket is the Bang Bang wafer. Crispy wafer with caramel and choco. Bored? Bang Bang. Happy? Bang Bang. Sad? Bang Bang. This beloved Indonesian childhood snack has garnered popularity and devotion across homes in all of Asia because of its delicious flavor and catchy name. It's an iconic Indonesian treat that layers crunchy wafers ooey gooey caramel, and chocolate coated Krispies into one delicious bar. A classic childhood tradition was to challenge each other and see who could eat more binge in 10 minutes. We'll say we could put away anywhere from 20 to 100. Let's just leave it at that. Binge comes with the tagline of unstoppable enjoyment, and it's meant to be enjoyed together with friends and family, either in the challenge we mentioned previously or just when hanging out together, one at a time. Both are good. Excuse the pun, but the binge wafer goes down with a bang of flavor. Oh my, that really does sound intriguing. Now, if you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of this is. This 25-gram bar has an expiration date of July 17th, 2026. So I said enjoy with friends or family. Well, it's just me here. What's it like to have friends? I'm asking you because I don't know. I don't know what it's like. I have acquaintances. That's the key difference here. All right, enough of that sad story. Time to get back to the food review. Now, I will say, out of all the snacks I've tried so far today, this packaging caught my eye the most so far. It almost reminds me of that candy bar. I'm trying to think of the name off the top of my head. Ah, got it. Oh, whatchamacallit. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Look at that. Mm. Firm to the touch. Nice, pleasant chocolate aroma. Ooh, that is pleasant. Mm. All right, party time. Woo! Tra la la la. Whoop, where's it? There's the camera. Cheers, everybody. Oh. Mm-hmm. Nice, satisfying initial crunch. I appreciate the ratio of chocolate to caramel and the wafer. All components are firing on all cylinders. It's creamy. It's decadent. I will say this is one of the sweeter things I've had today. In terms of the flavor profile, this is a mix between. It's actually, it reminds me of a Twix bar, Kit Kat bar, and a whatchamacallit bar. Wow. I'd say the caramel is the real star of the show here. Really shines. It's sweet, but not sickeningly sweet. Meshes well with the chocolate, and then a slight pop from the rice, the crispy, and the wafer, the layers. Have this with some whipped cream, maraschino cherry, or just go over there. Actually, go over there to a local grocery store. Buy a big tub of ice cream and just go to town on that. Delicious. I appreciate that this wasn't melted. So once again, great job, everyone over at Universal Yums. Whoever assembled this box and shipped it, it's great. It's all in one piece. It's fresh, nice aftertaste of caramel. Got a little stuck in my teeth there. That's all right. Anytime's the right time for dessert. Mm. Ah, happy. I am extremely happy. Do I recommend this? Yes, yes, I do. Would I have it again if the opportunity presented itself? Yeah, yeah. Now, with that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the chocolate caramel wafer bar from Ben Bang, or what was it? Benji Ben, or no, Ben Ben. My apologies. However you pronounce that, I'm giving this a solid 10 out of 10. Mm, it's fresh, decadent, not stale, it's not greasy, it's not oily. Really hits the spot. Mm. Oh, I think this will satisfy the chocolate cravings. I like the quality. I like the taste. Seems to be a good value. The variety. Mm, 10 out of 10. Mm, crispy, crunchy, delectable. Mm, chewy. Mm-mm-mm. Nope, look at that. It's almost gone. That was quick. Sorry, everyone. I don't have any to share. Oh, it's all gone. Whoop. Nothing to see here. Mm-mm. Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the end of today's taste test journey through Indonesia. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as I enjoyed trying these snacks from the comfort of my own space. Mm. Last up on today's taste test journey is the Chicky Twist Flamin' Hot Extra Spicy Corn Snacks. Baru, meaning new. These Chicky Twist Flaming Hot Corn Snacks will set your taste buds on fire and reinvigorate your senses with a catchy jingle that claims these will be flamin' in your mouth and a cute, innocently smirking chicken mascot. You can be sure that only the most spice loving among you will be brave enough to dare a taste of this satisfyingly crunchy snack. Indonesians are renowned for their tolerance for spice. In fact, Indonesia has been dubbed the Spice Islands. Over half of the world's spices originated from Indonesia, and they're an integral part of the culture, often even used for medicinal purposes. It makes sense that so much of their food is intensely spiced. Did you know that the more spice you eat, the more your taste buds can handle? Consider these corn snacks the first step on your new journey. Mm, 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 mm. Oh my goodness. Look at this packaging. Wow, it's very bold, very vibrant. Uh, it looks hot. Just by looking at it. Mm, mm. That chicken is has flames coming out of its mouth. Wow. This 75-gram bag has an expiration date of November 10th, 2025. My apologies. I don't speak the language, so I don't know what that says on the back. If you know what that says, let me know. Now, I could try to read it. Uh, the key word is to try. Uh, Ada yang hot tapi bukan api apa tu? Ya cheeky twist flamin hot ya. Penansia bikin momen apapun jadi lebih asyik. Debut Dinjan Dajun. Wow, I don't know what I said. uh, well, it's kind of I can't delay anymore. I got to get into this. Whoa, it's a big bag. Oh dear. Smells like a Cheeto. Look at that. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh man. Hello. Nice, satisfying initial crunch. Crispy. Ah, right off the bat, the spice level shines through. Getting a little hot here from Mr. Fritz. I don't even have my vest on. I'm getting hot. mm. Now the corn of the chip itself is acting as a nice canvas to enhance all these flavors. I'd say it's well seasoned, mm, salty. I'm picking up hints of garlic and onion. In terms of the texture, it reminds me of a mix between a Funyun and a Cheetos. It's light, it's crispy, not oily, not stale. Ooh, the heat is building. Peppery. Ooh, chili pepper. Sweet, but there's also a little bit of sweetness coming from the cheese, the seasoning. Ah, ooh. I love the crunch. I like the flavor profile. I can see having this with some, just a nice hummus or habanero mango salsa to kick up the heat even more. I appreciate the bite-sized pieces. I could see having this with the ham and Swiss sandwich, or even just on their own, sitting out on the front porch watching the river roll by in the evening, or watch the sunset. Ha ha ha. Hot. Ooh, a burning sensation on my tongue and my throat. It's not as hot compared to other spicy products I've had in my lifetime, but I'd say it's the top half spicy. Like I said, it's a great crunch. Do I recommend this? Yes, yes, I do. Would I have these again if given the opportunity? Yes, yes, I would. Ooh, that'll wake up your taste buds. I might need to get some milk. I'm still holding out here. That spice, it's building. With that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Chicky Twist Flamin' Hot Corn Snacks. Ladies and gentlemen, strike up the band. I'm ending on a high note, on a hot note. I'm giving these a solid 10 out of 10. Ooh, spicy. Yeah, it's hot in here. Whew. My mouth. Great and fresh. Oh, what a party. Oh, what a journey this has been. I am so thankful to be given this opportunity to explore snacks from around the world. Mm. Like I say, mm. Oh, this is fun. I appreciate the value. They're not stale. I love the taste. Just the right amount of seasoning and saltiness. Mm. Did I say it's spicy? It's spicy. Ooh, get my little nose running a little bit. Well, with that being said, once again, I'm Fritz, Fritz. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. Stay tuned. I'm really curious to see which country will be featured for the September Universal Yum Snack Box. Stay tuned for that. I usually receive the Universal Yums boxes the third week of every month. So stay tuned. That's something to look forward to. And also a shout out that I will be attending the upcoming Chelan County Fair in Kashmir. That's coming up not this weekend, but the weekend after Labor Day. So if you're in the area, stop by, come by, say hi. Look for the guy with the Ghost of Blewett hat and a camera, because a good chance that would be me. I won't have my vest because it'll probably be too hot to wear a vest. So you may not recognize me, but look for the hat. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, that spice kicking in. Oh, pardon me. Excuse me. So anyway, with that being said, once again, thanks everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Snacks, all these wonderful snacks from Universal Yums. I just can't get enough. Welcome to the show. A very varied selection, most of them at dessert territory. Very, very sweet, has some savories. And then this one it keeps on giving. The spice is still there. Ooh, hearts all flutter. Here's everybody. Yeah, yo.
Engine room. We sent Alex to the engine room. He's gonna check it out, that engine room.
Guys, I don't see anything.
Keep on checking that engine room.
Who's there? Aw, you're not dangerous. You're a friendly little fella. Although this is unsettling.
Engine room. Everything's fine in the engine room.
Talking about that engine room, yeah.
Alan! Alexander's dead.
I'm an only child now, with double the inheritance.
Oh, no.
Sis.
Why, Alexander?
Poor hubby.
No.
Hey, how's it going? Why are you here? You can click away now. There's nothing to see here. I finished reviewing the Universal Yum snacks. Ooh. Ooh, that spice from that last snack I had is really still holding steady, but I haven't had to get anything to drink yet. That's just just mellow. It's starting to mellow out a little bit. Oh. Hey, hey there. How's it going? Hey, hey. Oh dear, my darling. Mm. When you asked me for my opinion the other day, with such style and grace, excitement on your face. Even though I was wearing my vest, I was caught off guard. Honestly wasn't expecting you to start a conversation with me. But you asked me which hoodie to buy. Mm. Well, for a moment, I must have had a blank look on my, because I was trying to internalize what to say. Mm. And the first thing I said was both. You should get both. And then I don't know what I did. It's like, well, yeah, let's see here. So I held both of them up, and like I was still trying to internalize what I was doing. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah. And then I pointed to the cranberry hoodie and said, "This one. This one reminds me the most of upcoming autumn and fall harvest. The leaves will be changing color soon." Well, so that was just a nice little interaction that I wasn't expecting. Even though I had my vest, like I don't know what I'm doing. What am I saying? Now, if you talk to me today, my ego is running rampant, so I would have had more to say compared to when you talked to me the other day when I was in my reserved mode, train of thought, shy and reserved. I've said it once, I've said it again. There's two versions of Mr. Fritz here. There's the shy and reserved, which probably accounts for 70% of my public appearances. And then 30% is the wild, raunchy, ego centered Mr. Fritz. There has to be a happy medium somewhere between those two extremes, and I'm still trying to find that happy medium. It's either one or I'm either in my own mind, or on the other end of this scale, I just ramble on like I'm doing right now about things that no one wants to hear about, and I don't know why. It's just to get off my conscience. I got to shut this ego down because I don't want to get canceled today. Yeah. All right. Got that. Good. Got. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, spicy. Excuse me. All right. Hey, yo. Hey. Hey there. Hey. Hey. How's it going? No. Nope. 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 Do not feed the ego. Do not feed Mr. Fritz's ego. No. 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 This transmission ends now. Goodbye. Bye bye. Buy books, buy bonds. Bye bye. Bye bye. That's it. Shut the camera. Editor, shut this down. Uh-uh. No, no, no. All right. Is it off? Are we good? Am I clear? There. That was okay. Yeah.